So with the Ethereum merge out of the way, next up, here comes Cardano. So ADA, of course, has a big month in store for it as well, with the Vassal hard fork projected to go live around September 22nd later this month, which means we're about a week away from another major top 10 cryptocurrency going through its biggest upgrade ever. Speaking of the Ethereum merge real quick, it went really smooth. Everything worked out. We are seeing a little bit of a crypto sell-off across the board, which includes Ethereum and Cardano. But with Cardano's Vassal hard fork, I did a video recently talking about a lot of the institutional money right now and where it's going. A lot of that money is going into Cardano above and over Bitcoin and Ethereum. Fascinating. Along those same lines, I want to talk about Cardano's number of total transactions recently surpassing 50 million and what this means for the future of ADA and where we could be heading from here. So before we jump in, hit the like button and subscribe down below. Really helps us out. If you like Cardano, I talk about it regularly on my channel, along with many other altcoins and just regular crypto news as things become relevant. So I'm here for you every single day. And if you want to follow me, what you're going to get is somebody who's real. I'm going to bring it to you, whether it's good, bad, or ugly. And I'm always here for you consistently every single day, bringing you up to speed on the hottest news in the cryptocurrency market. So with that being said, let's jump into this particular article. Cardano number of total transactions surpasses 50 million. So the leading proof of stake network Cardano, their transactions have hit a new milestone. Again, that $50 million number. So according to data from the blockchain explorer of Cardano, which is cardanoscan.io, the Charles Hoskinson-led blockchain has now processed a total of over 50 million transactions. It achieved the milestone after completing 51,686 transactions yesterday. Data from the cryptocurrency on-chain analytics firm Missouri shows that Cardano currently has a transaction count of about 51,000, almost 52,000 transactions every single day, with a volume expected to soar tremendously once Vassal hard fork goes live. Why? Because it's going to be way, way easier for developers to come in and build on top of Cardano once the Vassal hard fork is live. It's noteworthy that the current transaction volume of Cardano also represents regular transactions between users and various trading operations across all Cardano-based protocols, which they have a lot more than people think. Now, there's more to come. Aside from Vassal's hard fork, several solutions like decentralized borrowing and lending, synthetic tokens, and their DGED stablecoin are all expected to bolster Cardano's total transaction volume in earnest. The massive spike in Cardano's transaction volume is a positive development for the entire ecosystem. As I've said before, I think Cardano is very, very early compared to where Ethereum is and where Bitcoin is. So if we're looking into the top 10 and we say, okay, which project is undervalued and underappreciated right now? I think pretty much you could say all of them on some level are. But when I look at Cardano, I think it's even more severely undervalued right now than some of the top dogs like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Of course, Cardano is much newer. We have to see how it goes through this continued bear market, but so far, so good. Many people are projecting Cardano to actually perhaps get to $1 after the Vassal hard fork. And this could happen because not only is it undervalued, but what we're seeing from institutional money. Institutional money right now, they've been getting into ADA, again, more so than Ethereum and Bitcoin. That cannot be understated. I talked about that in my most recent Cardano video. Check that one out on the channel if you haven't seen it already. But I just want to bring you up to speed on this. Now, one other quick note. Growth in transaction volume will have a positive impact on Cardano's evolution, as the fees that they receive from all these transactions, they're actually used to then encourage new developers to come in and encourage existing developers to continue to build on the network. This in turn would lead to the launch of a significant decentralized applications. They have many dApps that they're working on already, but many developers have different ideas, and Cardano, of course, wants them on Cardano. This would, of course, boost the mainstream adoption of Cardano and its native cryptocurrency, ADA. That's what I've got for you here in the video. Let me know what you think about it all down below as we turn the page, right, from the Ethereum merge. And now all eyes are on Cardano here for the next week as we get ready for the Vassal hard fork. Thank you so much for tuning in. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like button down below. It's totally free, and it really helps us out. Appreciate it. Bye.